I have failed many times before finally mastering the art of making butterfly swirls in my soap, so you don't have to. And I'm about to show you guys step by step my technique for creating the most beautiful butterfly swirls in your soaps. So if you'd like to see how I do that, follow along, let's do this. So you might also want to pause this video and read the captions because this video is going a lot faster than I can speak and I'm going to try to keep up. So first you want to start by pouring your contrasting color on one side of the mold, and I always do this. I try to keep it on one side and always keep in mind, take note of which side you're pouring because you might cover it up with the base color and that's okay, but it is important that you remember which side and I will tell you why. So next I use a bamboo skewer and that's what I like to use. You can also use chopsticks or whatever you have on hand. You're still gonna get great results. I just like the skewers because it gives the most delicate, beautiful butterfly swirls. Now with this chopsticks or the skewer, you want to start swirling in the same direction as the side you pour your contrasting color. I hope that makes sense. But you don't want to pour in the opposite, you don't want to swirl in the opposite direction because then you won't get the effect you're going for. So after that, now I'm showing you my piping. Now I'm no expert at piping, but I will show you the tips that I use. And if someone who knows better than I do want to leave a comment and let everyone know what those tips are called, feel free to do that. This is all self-taught. I have taught myself how to do all of this, so I really don't know what the tips are called, but this is what I use. Now I'm going to show you guys a hack for creating leaves. If you don't have a leaf tip, which I happen to have one, I just enjoy doing this. This way I'm able to control the size of the leaves that I can create, and this is the cut you want to make. You fold a bag in half and you cut on an angle, and I'm going to slow the video and give you a close-up on how I do that right here. So this is how I create my leaves, and you always want to keep the tips, the points of the tip facing up and down, not sideways, to get the shape of that leaf. And I'm just going to speed this video up here and show you what it looks like now. And then I'm going to show you the unmolding. If you guys stuck around this far, I really appreciate it, but I decided to do this all in one video this time. I usually break the video up and show it to you in sections, but this time I went for the whole thing. So it's going to be a really long video, and I'm also going to show you how it looks inside when I cut it. And if you stick around to the end, you're also going to see some pictures of these beautiful butterfly swirls. And if you guys try this technique out, please feel free to tag me so I can see your finished product and what it looks like. I would love to give you some praise and even some tips if you want.